I voted against the suspension of Congressman Barzaga and explained my vote by citing that Congressman Garjola was there to vote to suspend Congressman Barzaga. And I did not intend to give that statement.
Yeah.
I only wrote that statement after I saw that he was there. And I found it tragic that inuna pa natin ang kaso ni Congressman Barzaga bago umaksyon ang Kongreso kay, sa mga congressman, bago umaksyon ang Kongreso sa mga aligasyon, kahit gumawa ng investigasyon tungkol sa mga aligasyon sa mga DPWH projects ni Congressman Garjola. Ang dahilan na si Congressman Barzaga ay sinuspinde sa House of Representatives ay siya daw ay unbecoming of a member of Congress. Para lang po malinaw, hindi naman po nakalagay sa rules specifically na mas egregious ang social media posts kaysa sa alleged corruption sa DPWH. It is the discretion of Congress to prioritize one matter over another. And again, this was the first time since the October 13 approval of the 2026 budget that there were this many members of Congress who were asked to attend session because it was so important that we suspend Congressman Barzaga. Because some people are saying, pwede namang isabay eh. Pero Public Works, the Public Works Committee of Congress is not investigating the projects of Congressman Garjola. And the Ethics Committee has it in its power to also sanction or say that those who are alleged of wrongdoing in DPWH are also unbecoming of Congress. Pero inuna na nga ang kaso ni Congressman Barzaga, si Congressman Garjola ay nandun pa para bumoto na isuspend si Congressman Barzaga.